Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is seeing a pretty decent sized price pump right now. It has managed to actually get over that area of resistance at that $20,000 price and managed to pump through its 50-day moving average. So, a lot of good things going on with Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market is definitely feeling all the green as well. We have many cryptocurrencies currently pumping right now, especially Ethereum, which is also breaking through some moving averages. So let's dive into more about what's going on with Bitcoin. So if you guys have been keeping up with my Bitcoin videos, I've been talking about how Bitcoin has possibly completed a wave 2 from these larger impulses here that starts with the first one that goes from that 52-week low that Bitcoin had back in the middle of June, where Bitcoin's price was under $17,600, and then it quickly went up within this wave 1 over a span of about 2 months to the middle of August to complete the wave 1, and then we saw this retracement within the wave 2. So that date that the CPI data had come out, that was what I'm saying was the completion of this wave 2, because the data doesn't say anything otherwise to say anything different. So far within this wave 3, which could be a very big breakout wave for Bitcoin and really retrace mostly that wave 1, of course, but go up another 10 grand possibly within that. And what I'm thinking is that we're within a corrective wave at this moment, just as we've started this wave 3, and we've seen an A, B, C. We're working on that C wave right now, and hopefully that's going to take us up to around our 50% Fibonacci level. That's also right around where our 100-day moving average is. So as the price of Bitcoin is currently pumping, it's going to be seeing some resistance as well as at the price of around $20,500, which is our next Fibonacci level that we need to be getting over. And that would also take us back above our wave 4 that we had within our wave 2, if that makes sense. And more than likely, we'll see a much larger candlestick as we do pump through that. So let's also take a look at what we have going on within our falling wedge pattern that we did manage to break out of by default. And now that we have this larger price pump going on right now, and it's above our wave A, this is all looking really good. And this is also creating that much more distance that we need from where we were at within this trend line from this falling wedge pattern. So if we look at the falling wedge pattern that we've been in since our all-time high with Bitcoin and how it had come down within these 5 waves, and then it completed at that 52-week low. So now we're in that process here within our new set of waves for our next pattern. And hopefully we're going to see the price of this wave 3 that we're working on right now. Hopefully this is going to take us up to a price that's between a price of, say, $50,000 or any easy default would be, say, possibly $30,000. So either retrace where we're at within this wave 4 to the downside, or hopefully do better than that and take us to where we're at within our wave 2 to the downside. So go back and retrace that price that Bitcoin was at back at the end of March, early April, as that second quarter really saw a steep decline within the price of Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market really crashed in that second quarter of 2022. So if we can retrace all that within our wave 3, within this wave that we're now in, that would be absolutely amazing if that was to happen. Now let's look at how everything else is lining up. So we have our bull market support band that we're getting close to actually being within. And this is another very bullish thing to happen for Bitcoin, because if we are to actually get on the other side of this, which currently is acting more so as the bear market resistance band, but if we manage to get inside of it, which more than likely right now, it's probably closer to a price of around $21,000. So if we do manage to actually get within this and then even get on the other side of this, which would be at a price just a little bit above $23,000, we'll probably start to see some much larger price movements with Bitcoin after that happens. Because if you look at it, after we've completed this wave 1, that was when the bull market support band had managed to actually get out of this falling wedge pattern And it's been within this falling wedge pattern the entire time that we were at our all-time high. So as you can see, when it does manage to actually start past that, we get these much larger price movements. So as far as everything Bitcoin needs to do right now, it needs to surpass that price of $20,500 to get it past that next Fibonacci level. Then around $21,000 is where our 100-day moving average and our 50% Fibonacci level is. So that's our key right now. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on what happens with Bitcoin every single day. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump on the next cryptocurrency to talk about. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching and listening.